Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be checking out the GregTech New Horizons 2.8, the massive new updates that's bringing the huge gameplay changes, system reworks, and tons of new features. So without further delay, let's just break it down quickly and clearly. First off, this update marks a big jump from version 2.7. The devs are officially closing that chapter and focusing on the brand new mechanics, balance tweaks, and smoother performance. One of the most exciting additions is the new Botania multi-blocks, large-scale magical machines that now play in the real role in automation and progression. Next, the new bronze multi-block machines are coming to early game, giving the players more powerful production options right after the Steam age. There is also a full auto-crafting rework designing to make the automations much clearer and more scalable. No more tangled setups and wired recipe bugs. Ores have also changed. They now drop the items affected by the fortune enchantments, which adds more reward to the mining with the enchanted tools. And behind the scenes, the devs have restructured the server platform and the performance systems to make the gameplay smoother, more reliable, and ready for the future expansions. Now you can expect the improved mode compatibility and fewer crashes overall. Of course, a lot of smaller tweaks come with that too, like recipe adjustments, balance fixes, and quality of life improvements across almost every tier. So that was the quick overview of the GTNH 2.8, new Botania and Bronze multi-blocks, smarter automations, fortune-based ores, and a clearer, faster game overall. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.